Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to make money on ClickBank for beginners. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have choices and freedom to do what you love. So if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you. Appreciate you guys. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, we're talking about how to make money on ClickBank for beginners, 4 steps to getting started. So what is the first step? That of course is to pick a profitable product and get your affiliate link. So I'm not going to go into how to pick the product because I did that in the video just prior to this. So I'm going to leave a link below this video that you can see how I went into depth on how to go to ClickBank and pick a product that will be profitable. But 3 niches that you can make the most money in are wealth, relationships, and health, because those are the areas that people have the most problems in, and you have a solution to their problems. So to get your affiliate link, you're going to go to the marketplace and find your product. Let's just say we're going to go to the make money online niche, and we'll go down here, and if you're going to, for example, promote this super affiliate system, you'll click on promote and you'll put in your account nickname, and let's say you're going to create some YouTube videos around this topic, so you can track that and you just create, and then this will be your link right here that you're going to promote. But you're not going to send people directly to that affiliate link, because here's what happens. People, you can spend all kinds of time and all kinds of money and not have any results, because most of the time people do not buy on the first exposure, even if it's a small price. They have to be exposed to it several times. So what you want to do is to send them to a lead capture page, and that way when you capture their name and their email, you can follow up with them and present more of the benefits, let them get to know you a little bit, trust you, and then people will buy, generally, if they're exposed to it more than one time. Some people will buy on the first try, but you can see how this works. Like if you go to a website and you're thinking about buying something, you can see how that product follows you all over the internet, and it just they retarget you, and it just keeps reminding you of that product. So that's what we're doing here, is we're just keeping in the mind of that prospect that they were interested in this, and you're just letting them know about the benefits of it more than one time. And so the third thing you're going to do is to create a 7-day email follow-up series in your autoresponder. The one that I use is GetResponse, and I'll go into that in another video, exactly how to set that up. But basically, you're again letting them know the benefits, and it's best if you pick a product that they do have an email follow-up series. I know this one for sure does, the ClickBank University, but you would click on their affiliate page and see if they have some emails that you can use. I'm not sure if this one does or not. Anyway, a lot of them will. Just swipe emails that you can load into your autoresponder. And let me show you, going back to the lead capture page, let me show you a couple examples of what I'm talking about. Here's one, a high converting lead capture page right here. Finally, a proven method for making real money from home, even if you're brand new and on a shoestring budget. And then they click here and they have to enter their email and their name, and that's how they get into your email autoresponder. Here's another high converting capture page. Dare to create the good life you want. Discover a revolutionary breakthrough. So this is, and then again they would click on here and put in their name and their email. Okay, so number 4. So you've got your lead capture page set up. Well, you picked your product, you got your affiliate link, you have your lead capture page set up. Then you will drive them to, you will get them to your email follow-up series by driving traffic. Okay, but you have to have that set up first. So as you start driving traffic and they go into your autoresponder, then they'll get these automatic emails once a day. So to drive targeted traffic to your lead capture page, we're not going to get into that in this video, but there's several ways that you can do it. I would recommend starting with free traffic, but of course you can do paid traffic. There's Facebook, Instagram. This is a really great way to drive traffic. I'm going to leave a link below this video. I did a video that talks about you don't even have to have an Instagram account, but you can find influencers on Instagram and get super targeted traffic to your affiliate offer for very, very low price and get a lot of leads this way. So I'm going to again leave that link below this video. You can go through that video. And then YouTube is a great way to get traffic if you know SEO, which is a whole nother topic. I'm going to leave a couple links below this video to some other videos that I did on SEO and how to use YouTube to get sales and get people to your lead capture page. So those are the 4 steps on how to make money on ClickBank for beginners. And we're going to get into some of these areas in more depth as we go through this series on ClickBank. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you're interested in my #1 recommended system for making money online, how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, from start to finish, and you can go ahead and click on the link the first link in the description of this video. You can check that out. And again, I appreciate you guys. I believe in you. That's it for this video. I will speak with you soon. Bye now.